When you first land on the Dashlane homepage, the design feels modern and straightforward. They clearly highlight what they do: manage your passwords, secure your personal information, and simplify online logins. Signing up is free and easy, just an email and a master password. Once inside, the dashboard is clean and intuitive. You're prompted to install the browser extension, which is where most of the magic happens. With the extension installed, Dashlane automatically detects login fields and offers to save new passwords as you browse. The autofill is impressively accurate, working smoothly across most websites I tested, including banking sites and niche platforms. The vault layout is simple, letting you store passwords, secure notes, payment info, and personal details. Security-wise, Dashlane uses zero-knowledge architecture, meaning they can't access your data. You're the only one with access to your master password, which can't be recovered if forgotten. They offer two-factor authentication, biometric login, and a password health checker that flags weak or reused credentials. One of the standout features is the built-in VPN, which is available with a premium plan. While it's not as feature-rich as standalone VPNs, it adds a useful layer of privacy when using public Wi-Fi. You also get dark web monitoring that scans for breached data linked to your email, a nice touch for proactive security. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One downside is the pricing. Dashlane is on the more expensive side compared to competitors, like Bitwarden or 1Password. The free version is very limited now, offering access only on one device and restricting syncing. This can be a deal breaker for anyone looking for a full-featured free option. Another issue some users report is occasional lag or glitches with the extension, especially on less common browsers. While I didn't experience anything major during my testing, it's worth noting if you're outside the Chrome/Firefox ecosystem. Mobile apps for both Android and iOS are polished, and biometric login works seamlessly, but features like password sharing or item categorization can still be a bit clunky. Overall, Dashlane is powerful and user-friendly, but the high price tag might not be justifiable for everyone. If you value integrated tools, like VPN and breach alerts, it could be worth the investment. However, if all you need is basic password management, there are cheaper or even free alternatives that do the job well. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.